Morning people, welcome back to another vlog. We're doing it 3 vlogs in a row. Oh, no, this is the 4th vlog. Oh my, I'm doing so many vlogs, I'm forgetting there's vlogs, you know what I mean? Vlog on vlog on vlog. Today, I have to go to Snappy Snaps, develop the film. Also, I have to ask them where a repair shop is so we can get that camera repaired that we broke 2 vlogs ago. And also gonna go link up with my designer. The merch guy I'm working with, he mainly does labels. He does labels for like Jägermeister, all sort of like big, like Hennessy, stuff like that. And basically, he's now entering the merch game, so he's hooking us up on a pretty killer deal. I have to go out now and go find Snappy Snaps. So, Snappy Snaps, phenomenal name, 10 out of 10. I could see why they're the biggest in town. We move. I forgot the camera to get repaired. Ran back up, grabbed the camera. I got the film, but I forgot the camera. Nuts. Another absolutely rainy day. Let's get to Snappy Snaps. Let's get moving. Snappy Snaps is a hilarious thing to be saying multiple times in a vlog. Just send it to my email. How long will this take as well?
1 hour.
1 hour? Oh, that's easy. All right, cool. My handwriting's garbage, you know? This is done at Snappy Snaps. Easy peasy. The light's going. Oh shit, here we go. We're running. We're running. I made it. I made it indeed. Well, what the fuck is this line right here? Some next level mad line for Sainsbury's. What the fuck is this? They had no sandwiches that I wanted in there. All trash selection. So I just got some ginger shots. And the lady in Snappy Snaps said there was no camera repair store within a 100-mile radius. I literally just searched camera repair store. Boom. 5 minutes up the road. There's a camera repair store. Why am I wearing this mask? I'm not even in a shop anymore. This is what they're claiming is the repair store. We'll see. No, no go. Actually, he was like, you gotta take it to a professional one. We don't know what we're doing here, basically. All right, I'll go find one. It's all right. Back at the crib. Grab the laptop and go find Camera City, the repair store. Back out the house, back on the move. Where are we going? The station to Camera City. Then meet my boy Aaron. I don't know if you can quite appreciate on camera how rainy it is right now, but trust me, very. I'm off the train. It is still gross as shit out here, rainy as fuck. I'm gonna go find this Camera City repair store before I get washed away. Sight for sore eyes. Camera City, baby. Camera City. Yes, what would you like? Broke this little dial right here, and matey boy said, can you get it back to me Monday? If you can get it back to me fixed, then we're all right, basically. Out the camera repair store. Camera repairs. Hopefully, he said, if it's just something loose, we can get the job done today. Thank you, bro, thank you. Matey boy's letting me cross the road. If it's just something loose, we can get the job today. Job done today. If not, we're gonna have to basically wait a while, because we're gonna have to send off for some parts. Could get a little messy if we don't get it done today. I'm literally just walking through the middle of the street, no fucks given, headed to the Hoxton, right here. Lovely. Aaron should have gotten us a seat in there somewhere. The main man himself, securing the spot, securing the spot. What's up, bro? My guy. Leaving the Hoxton, we were there for a total of 2 minutes. I think it's this way. I think so. We're going to find Wagamama's and get some food. You hungry?
Yeah, actually, I'm not used to it.
Yeah, bro, I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything today. I've had a coffee and that's it. We move.
How are you today?
Do we have a table for 2?
Table for 2?
Yeah. Chicken yakitori, chicken pad thai, sparkling water. This bad boy right here. Donburi, killing the game. Wagamama done and dusted. Back out into the rain. On the move. So, new cameras online are 161. It's gonna be about 100 quid to get it repaired. So I think it's just basically a no-brainer to just buy this guy a fresh one. So, this is my life. I rent a camera, didn't even use it, didn't get a single picture with it, bought the guy a fresh one. But I'll get to keep the old one, so I'll repair it in my own time. And I got a camera, cool. You gotta look at shit on the positive side, basically. You could look at this on the negative, but there's always a positive. We keep pushing. I've left Aaron in the Hoxton. I'm running across the road quick to go back to this camera repair store, get the camera back. I'm not getting it repaired. I'm just gonna buy the guy a fresh one, keep this one. I'll get this one repaired on my own time, and then I'll actually own one of these cameras myself. Back out of the camera repair store, back to the Hoxton. We move.
Would you mind waiting
Oh, sorry, I'm sitting down here. I'm back. Left the Hawkston, walking back to the station. Me and Aaron smashed out some promo content for the merch. Did a whole bunch of coaching when I was there as well over the phone. 4:30 p.m., something like that. I'm walking, gonna go drop all my stuff at my home. Back at the crib, showered, and I'm about to get an Uber round to my grandma's house, then take her to a nice restaurant, go get some nice food. I'm actually starving. The only food I've had the whole day was that Wagamamas that you guys came with me to get, so I'm pretty hungry right now. Lower energy, my energy levels still remain somewhat high, regardless of the amount of food I have. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. I'm a vlogger, full-time vlogger. I'm in the game. This is the 4th vlog in a row or something like that, the 3rd or the 4th. Doing so many vlogs, I'm losing track of the vlogs. Phenomenal.